This is a 1997 Seadoo GTX with a 787cc engine. Has a fresh top end rebuild. 146 hours on the body, and the rebuild was just done today. Overall, the body is in pretty good shape. Couple of scratches here and there, and very small gel coat nicks, which is expected for 1997. The seat has been recovered with HydroTurf marine vinyl seating. It's got aftermarket sponsons and a HydroTurf splash guard. There's no damage at all to the front end hood here. A couple scratches there. Okay, I'll fire it up. And there you have it, 1997 Seadoo GTX, fresh top end rebuild.